In this video, I'm going to talk about how to update all drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you're having any kind of an issue, there are three different ways on updating all the drivers. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. You need to type here for settings, then click on this icon over here. Once you get into the settings, what you need to do is we have to go to the Windows update here. Now check for update. So you can see you'll be having both the update as well as I'm having display driver update over here, which is from here also you can try updating. That is one of the first way. Next one is all about we have to scroll it down and navigate to advanced option. From here you have to click on optional updates. Now you can see under the Windows update we have driver update as well. Click on the drop down menu here. Now you can see these are two pending updates that I'm having right now, or possible updates which I can try updating from here. Now apart from this, we have one more step. That is all about we have to go over here, type here for device manager, and you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is you can navigate to any drivers that you wanted to update. So if you wanted to update any network adapters, you can update it from here itself. So you can try updating on all the other one as well. Now go to the driver that you wanted to update. For example here, right click and go for update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers, and drivers will be up to date from here. So these are the three different ways on updating the driver, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.